Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about Moka. Can I delete my Moka account permanently? The straightforward answer is yes. You can permanently close and delete your Moka account, but you must follow their specific process. Simply deleting the app from your phone is not enough to close the account and stop potential fees or transfers. Here are the general steps you should take to ensure permanent closure. First, liquidate your holdings. This means you must sell any securities or investments in your Moka account and ensure the balance is fully withdrawn to your linked bank account. Second, you need to formally request the account closure. Moka generally provides two main ways to do this. One method is to use the in-app chat feature. You should open the Moka app, navigate to the Help and Support section, and send a clear message asking to close your account. The second method is to send an email. You can email Moka's support team at the email address provided in their support documentation, typically help@moka.ai, from the email address you used to register your account. It is important to ensure all automatic transfers, like the roundups feature, are turned off before you submit your request to prevent any further withdrawals while your request is being processed. Keep in mind that account closure is permanent. Once your Moka investment account is closed, it usually cannot be reopened later. Moka will also retain certain information, like transaction history, for a period of time as required by applicable financial laws and regulations, even after the account is closed. Always confirm with Moka's support team that all necessary steps have been completed and that your account is officially closed to avoid any unexpected charges. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.